Hello, sweet soul. It's me, Ana Maria, your multisensory natural realm intuitive. And I've embarked on a heart based collaboration with the natural realm to tell our stories of what's possible through our relationship with nature. So I'm inviting you to join me in my upcoming book, Nature Divine Experiences with Trees, Plants, Rocks, Landscapes. So if you've had that profound, divine, mystical experience, personal experience in the natural realm, and you're feeling called and nudged to share that and become part of this global conversation alongside other thought leaders, then you can follow these links and learn more about this phenomenal book project, as well as the guidelines and the timelines to submit your story for consideration. I'd love for you to join me in this effort where we can really share these amazing experiences and remind everyone, as well as ourselves, that the possibilities in our collaborations with the natural realm truly are infinite. Here we grow again.